Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Mark Duvall of the Electric Power Research Institute, and we're here today to discuss a new report by EPRI and the Natural Resources Defense Council that we have just released. It's called, Environmental Assessment of a Full Electric Transportation Portfolio. I'd like to let you know that the objective of this analysis was to examine a couple of key environmental characteristics of electric vehicles, primarily their greenhouse gas emissions and air quality impacts, especially under a significant shift between now and 2050 to electrified vehicles, primarily among personal passenger vehicles, but also looking at light, medium, and heavy-duty commercial vehicles where it makes sense, including non-road applications where electric forklifts and lawn and garden equipment are two good examples of a non-road application. To summarize the key results, about 550 million tons of greenhouse gas emissions reductions are possible. In the electric sector at that point could be up to 77% cleaner than it is today in terms of greenhouse gas emissions, and with modest and widespread air quality benefits.
We need to get governments, industry, all the different components of industry, consumers, indeed environmental groups, all of these different folks need to pull together to extend the use of electric transportation from being what is today more of a niche product or a niche event to truly being mainstream. I think this study demonstrates clearly the benefits that can be had by doing that, and now is the time, now is the call for action, if you will, to move forward and make this a reality.
And this is where electrification comes in, because unlike vehicles, electricity production can be made zero emitting. We're not here today, we're not there today, but we can be with adequate efforts and with adequate supporting analysis that shows what the benefits are. And that's the purpose of this, this study. It shows how good we can get and what we need to do to get there. So this is a wave of the future that is on the road in small quantities today. It is something that NRDC supports, electrification program, and key to our support of it and actually the ultimate performance is cleaning up the grid further, and we will be glad to work with EPRI and others in that endeavor. Thank you.
We are about advancing the science and technologies, working with this industry to ensure that we can have electrification of transportation so that it achieves the goals and objectives that we've laid out in this report. So it improves, reduces greenhouse gases. It improves air quality. We can do that. We know the science and technology that needs to be advanced. We're working on it along with several other of our partners, and we're committed to making sure that we achieve what is outlined in this report. It's not easy, but it is technically feasible, and that's why EPRI is here today outlining this important report. Thank you very much.